Hey guys, here's the video to go over 10, 11, and 12. So remember, you could fast forward to any part to go over any problems that you missed. You don't have to watch the video for the problems that you got right and that you understand. So let's start. This is find the volume. Use the formula volume is big B times H. So let's zoom in on number 10 and get started. Okay, so we'll start with the formula. Volume is big B times H. Now remember what big B means. Big B is the area of one of the triangles. So it's the area of that triangle there. That's going to be big B. Now if you hear Jack or funny noises, he's on the floor sniffing around doing who knows what. Alright, so let me start. To find the area of that triangle, remember it's half times the base times the height. The base is 20 times the height is 18. And if you do that, you're going to get 180. So big B is 180. So now we just need to find the height of this. Now remember, the height of a triangular prism is the distance between the triangles. So I'm going to highlight that in blue. So those blue lines represent the height. They're the lines that connect the two triangles. So the height is 21. So now I just have to do 180 times 21. And 180, I'll type that in, times 21 is 3,780. And since it's volume, it's cubic kilometers. Okay, that's number 10. Let's go to number 11. And that's weird. The print is kind of weird. I don't understand that. All right, so let's look at number 11. So in number 11, here's what it says. It says, the base of a triangular door wedge, this is your hint that it's a triangular prism, has an area of 55 square centimeters. The height of the wedge is 5 centimeters. Find the volume of the door wedge. Okay, so I have volume is big B times H because it's a triangular door wedge. Now, it says, this is key here. I'm going to highlight it. It says the base, let me get my highlighter, of a triangular door wedge has an area of 55 square centimeters. So that's the area of the base. That is big B, so we don't have to figure out big B. So big B is 55. And the height of the door wedge is 5. So all we have to do is 55 times 5. And you should get 275. And it's cubic centimeters. All right, that's it for 11. Let's move over to 12. All right, so this is kind of a weird looking one. So we have to find the volume of this. Remember, we're using big B times H. And in this one, we have to actually figure out what big B is. So I'm going to focus on finding the area of this triangle right here, because that will be big B. So when I do that, remember, it's half times the base of that triangle is 5, times the height of that triangle is 2.2. See how it's pointing there? All right, so half times 5 times 2.2. And when you type that in, you get 5.5. So we have big B is 5 and a half, 5.5. Now we have to do times H. Now remember, the height of the prism is going to be the distance between the triangles. These orange lines represent the height, which is 3. So we're going to do 5.5 times 3. So that means our volume is 16.5 cubic inches. All right, that's it for this video. Remember, you can rewind it to go over any that you missed. Just make sure you make corrections for any that you had wrong. As always, thanks for watching.